Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create an account in League of Legends. First of all, visit the official League of Legends website at play.na.leagueoflegends.com. Click sign up to begin creating your account. After that, enter your email address. Make sure it's one you have access to. It will be used for important updates and account recovery. Enter your date of birth. League requires players to meet the minimum age of their region. Choose a unique username and a secure password. Remember, your username is how you will log in. It's different from your in-game summoner's name. Don't forget to read and agree to the terms of service before continuing. Then select your region. This determines your server. So pick the one closest to where you live for the best connection. Once you have completed all the steps, hit create account and you are ready to download the game. And that's it. You are now part of the League of Legends community. Time to hit the rift and start your journey to greatness. Thanks for watching.